I'm going to show you a new trading strategy that uses free indicators to make you money. Let's get straight into it. First things first, let's set up TradingView to make you money.
It's free real estate.
Click on Indicators. To create this free strategy, the first indicator we will need is a sessions indicator. Add this one to your chart. Let's change the settings quickly. Just untick Asia for this method. Now onto the important stuff. Go to the Indicators tab again and type in BTMM. You want to add this one here by Bull Catcher. This is a powerful indicator and we are going to use it to predict trend direction for potential trades. The TDI indicator does appear messy at first, but once it's tuned for our purpose, every guy on Wall Street is going to be sending you a friend request. These are the powerful settings we are going to be using for this strategy. Pause the video and make sure yours match perfectly. If you are serious about improving your trading, then maybe you want to consider joining TraderEdge. This is currently the best trading app on the market that is used by thousands of traders. It's super easy to use and it has saved me a lot of time and money using it. If you sign up right now, TraderEdge will grant you access to their full backtesting course. You'll also get access to a full course on making a trading algorithm worth $270. There's also a collection on there of indicators and strategies proven to work. Thank you, TraderEdge. If you are serious about improving your trading strategy, click the first link in the description. Okay, so let's check out this indicator before showing what it will pair with. The yellow line is called the market baseline. We will also use the 50 level. The market baseline represents the overall market sentiment or trend direction. This will be used as confirmation on direction. Let's see what we will pair it with to strengthen the signal. Open up indicators again and search for smooth double stochastic. We are looking for this double smooth stochastic QQE by locks. The stochastic QQE indicator helps traders identify potential reversals and trend continuation opportunities. It combines the overbought and oversold readings of the stochastic oscillator with the trend identification capabilities of the QQE indicator. Let's see how you can enter a trade with this to make profits. So you can see I have crossed out the first portion of the session indicator as we won't be trading during this time. Focus on the second and third box only. Let's check out an entry signal here. The first rule is we only ever take one trade per session, so one trade per box. Couldn't be easier. You can see I'm entering a trade here. Let's check out why. Notice I'm also setting the stop loss at the most recent previous swing low. For our first confirmation, let's look at the QQE indicator. For entry, we must see this yellow long signal paint to confirm a buy. The second confirmation is on the BTMM TDI indicator below. For a long or buy trade, the market baseline, the yellow line, must clearly be above this white 50 level line. This is a simple representation of a long trending market. So we can see exactly on this trade, the QQE showed a long signal and the TDI market baseline was above the 50 level, so it's valid for entry. For the second trade of the day, we will only be looking for a setup during this time. This represents the New York session. Okay, so for entry again we need two things to happen. The first confirmation is to check if the TDI shows a long or short trend based on the yellow MBL line's position. It's above the 50 level, so we will only take buy trades. We can see here the QQE paints a long signal. This is the second confirmation and we can enter the trade here. The stop loss again goes to the most recent swing low for a buy. For every trade we will be targeting a solid take profit of 2 risk to reward. Another profitable trade for the day. Let's check out a previous day before showing you the full strategy's results. Remember to ignore the first box. Note that you can untick it in the sessions indicator settings, but it will also remove the line dividing the London and New York sessions that we do trade. We can see here that we have a confirmation for a buy on the TDI with the market baseline being above the 50 level again, and the QQE signal paints, so it's a valid entry, but doesn't work out. Do not be concerned as this is real life trading. The next session is interesting though. The market baseline is below on the TDI, so we only take a sell. Here we can see the sell sets up and QQE agrees, right before this lovely spike down. For this to be a valid entry confirmation, we must enter on this candle here. Again, the stop loss will be at the recent swing high and we will target a 2 risk to reward. Okay, so now it's time to show the results. Please let me know if you like the editing. I will be uploading a few times a week from now on, so subscribe. So here we can see the rumors are true. You don't need a 100% win rate to pay the bills. With a $5,000 My Forex Funds account we could have made a massive $4,175. The win rate is 54%, which isn't crazy, but with a risk to reward of 2 or higher this is completely fine. Just make sure to focus on your trading psychology. Remember, always bring a ladder so you can climb the markets. If you enjoyed the strategy and want more, click here.